Welcome to Quiz Oracle.
What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. How many legs does a spider have? 8. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Australia. What part of the body pumps blood? Heart. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Which continent is the Sahara Desert in? Africa. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. What animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. How many continents are there in the world? 7. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. In which country did the Olympic Games originate? Greece. What organ helps humans to breathe? Lungs. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. What is the freezing point of water? (32°F). What color is chlorophyll? Green. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Which bird is known for its colorful tail feathers? Peacock. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. What do bees produce? Honey. Which sea creature has 8 arms? Octopus. What is the capital of France? Paris. What planet do we live on? Earth. How many teeth does a typical adult human have? 32. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese. What do we call animals that eat only plants? Herbivores. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? China. How many bones are in the human body? 206. What does a thermometer measure? Temperature. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Lizard. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. Which vitamin is produced when the body is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Africa. What do you call molten rock after it has erupted from a volcano? Lava. What is the name of our galaxy? Milky Way. What is the boiling point of water? (212°F). Which gas is essential for humans to breathe? Oxygen. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Sunday. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What organ filters blood in the human body? Kidney. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. What type of animal is a frog? Amphibian. What natural satellite orbits Earth? Moon. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. What is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France. What do you call a baby dog? Pup. Which continent has the most countries? Africa. What is the name of the gas we exhale? Carbon dioxide. How many chambers does the human heart have? Four. Who discovered gravity? Newton. Which is the largest land carnivore? Polar bear. What is the primary language spoken in Egypt? Arabic. What kind of animal is a penguin? Bird. What is Earth's only natural satellite? Moon. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic? Amelia Earhart. Which organ helps in digestion and detoxification? Liver. What is the process of water turning into vapor? Evaporation. How many planets are in our solar system? Eight. Which animal is known to have a pouch? Kangaroo. Which planet has rings around it? Saturn. What is the national sport of Japan? Sumo wrestling. What is the process plants use to make food? Photosynthesis. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What part of the body contains a skull? Brain. What is the coldest place on Earth? Antarctica. What is the capital of Italy? Rome. How many eyes does a bee have? Five. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver. What is the name of the nearest star to Earth? Sun. What causes tides in the ocean? Moon. Which animal is known for changing its color? Chameleon. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? Einstein. Which blood type is considered the universal donor? O negative. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. Who was the first black president of South Africa? Nelson Mandela. Which metal is used to make aircrafts due to its lightweight? Aluminium. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What part of the body controls all bodily functions? Brain. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. What do camels store in their humps? Fat. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaf. What is the main ingredient in bread? Flour. What country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. Who built the pyramids of Giza? Ancient Egyptians. What are animals without backbones called? Invertebrates. What does the Richter scale measure? Earthquake magnitude. Which insect has the shortest lifespan? Mayfly. What color is your blood inside your body? Red. Which famous explorer discovered America? Christopher Columbus. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What is the outermost layer of the Earth? Crust.